Dear students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today we start another problem, and this is the video number 3rd. The problem, it was said in Hotel Management 2008. Find the sum of place and face values of 8 in this 43836. From this number, we have to find sum of the place value and face value. This. So solution, I want to write this result number here again, 43836. This one. Place value of 8. Place value of 8 equal to this place value means this is unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. This lies in 100 place. So this is 800. Or we can write 8 into 100. This is 800. And face value of 8 is equal to 8. We know face value of a digit is the digit itself. We know this. So face value of 8 is 8 itself, and place value means in which place 8 lies. You need 10, 100, 100. And we have to find the sum of place and face value. Therefore, the required sum equal to 800 plus 8. 800 plus 8 equal to 808, and this is our answer. Answer is 80. Is very nice solution, very easy. No one can say this problem is difficult. So answer is B. Option B is our correct option. This is the another problem. This is the cousin of previous problem, first problem. The sum of place values of 2 in this number in 2424 is 4, 220, 2002, 2020. So we have to find sum of the place values of this. Directly we can write the sum of the place values of 2 in 2424 is. In 24, first we consider these two lies in 1000 place. You need 10, 100, 1000. That means we can multiply 2 into 1000. Sum means plus, and these two lies in tens place. So we can write 2 into 10. So this will be 2000 plus 20. So if we adding this 2020, we get this is our answer. Very nice solution, very easy. Is it difficult? You can't say this is difficult problem. This is very easy. Nice solution. This is the answer. Another problem, a very simple problem. How many numbers are there between 99 and 1000 such that the digit 8 occupies the unit place? And the option given 64, 80, 90, 104. It was set in UPSC set 2017. This one very easy solution, easy problem. We can easily solve this problem. So our requirement is between 99 and 1000, how many numbers we have the unit place occupies 8 occupies in unit place. First we consider 99 to 1000. There are all of these are 3-digit number, so we can consider this one. So from 101 to 200. 101 to 200. So 101 to 200, there are there are 10 such numbers. There are 10 such numbers. So how many numbers we have in unit place? So here we get 108, 118, 128, 138. We get these are the numbers. 8 lies in unit place. So this will be 108, 100, just like this, 108, 118, 128, 138. We can get how many numbers we have? 10 such numbers. I have written only 5 numbers: 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, just like this. So we have 10 such numbers. Again, from 201 to 300, there are 10 such numbers, and from 301 to 400, there are 10 such numbers. So from 400, I want to write details, because if we write directly, sometimes some students will be face some problem. 401 to 500, there are 10 such numbers. So in this way, we get up to 999. 999. So there are, we can write. So how many we have? Next, 501 to, from 501 to 600, there are 10 such numbers. So similarly, 601 to 700, 701 to 800, 801 to 900, 900. So just like this, we get 900 to 999. Between this, we have how many numbers we have? So therefore in this way we can write, therefore total numbers equal to 10, how many times? 9 times. So this is 90. So how many groups we have? This is 1 group, 2 group, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups. There are 9 groups. As there are 9 groups. So I left the remaining group. Just you have to imagine 101 to 200, this is 10, 201 to 300, this is 10, just like this, and 601 to 700, 701 to 800, 801 to 900, 901 to 9,999. So we get how many groups we have? 9 groups, and each group contain 10 numbers. So 10 into 9, 90. So answer 90. Very nice. So we can easily think in practically. We can think in theoretically also. So sometimes if we write the solution in theoretically, then your network will be busy. So this is memory will be hang. So for this I have written these 5 groups, and you imagine the remaining 4 groups, and total is 90. So 90 numbers we have, 8 lies in unit places, and this is our answer. Option C is our answer. So next we consider a very simple problem. Very simple problem is the product of any number and the first whole number is this: 0, 2, 1, minus 1. These are the answer given. Now which one is the correct answer? We know whole number. It was given in first video. Whole number, natural number, integers. Whole number, this is symbol is W. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. So first whole number is 0. First whole number is 0. If we multiplying any number with 0, then answer 0. So if we multiplying the product of any number and the first whole number is, first whole number is 0, and if we multiplying 0 into something, answer is 0. So answer 0. Suppose 2 into 0 equal to 0, 3 into 0 equal to 0. So final answer we have, therefore answer is 0. This is our answer. So what we get, 0 is the starting first whole number. If we multiplying any number with 0, then answer is 0. So answer is 0, option A option. So this is our answer. So dear students, I hope this type of solution is very easy and you are feeling easy. If you are feeling easy, then please like this video. And if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.